Hello, welcome back for another skills solutions. These are the solutions to the skills assignment for applications of sets. A survey of 88 people was conducted. Some people like YouTube, some people like Disney Plus, some people like both. Place the correct counts and the correct regions in the Venn diagram below. The first thing I'm going to do is go through each clue and write down what regions each clue is talking about. So the first one, 38 people like YouTube. So liking YouTube means you're inside YouTube. Inside YouTube would be regions 2 and 3. First clue is talking about regions 2 and 3. Second one, these are the people who like Disney Plus. Inside the Disney Plus circle is region 3 and 4. So these 33 people we're talking about regions 3 and 4. And then 3 people like both YouTube and Disney. So if you like both YouTube and Disney, you are in both circles at the same time. What region or regions are in both circles at the same time? Only region 3. So only region 3 is in both circles at the same time. So the last clue refers to region 3. And then these 88 people refers to everyone together. So the 88 people is regions 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll just write all. Okay, so now we can go back and write down the correct counts in the regions. So my recommendation here is start with the clue that is talking about just a single region, which will be the last one. So 3 people like both YouTube and Disney, so this is region 3. So 3 would be in region 3. And now move on to the clues that represent 2 regions. So 33 is region 3 and 4. So we're saying that regions 3 and 4 together need to add up to 33. So what is this missing number so that regions 3 and 4 together is 33? So if you can't figure it out in your head, what you'll do is take your target number, which is 33, and then subtract the number that you already have. So 33 minus 3. So I don't need a calculator for this one. It's just 30. Okay, so regions 3 and 4 together need to add up to 33, and they do. Next up, 38. So 38 is regions 2 and 3 together. So 2 and 3 together need to add up to 38. So right now we have a 3. So what's the missing number so that regions 2 and 3 add up to 38? So take your target number, which is 38, and subtract off the number you already have, which is 3. So 38 minus 3. It's 35. Okay, and then the only region we have left is region 1, and the only number we haven't used yet is the 88. So 88 is saying that all regions together need to add up to 88. Okay, so what I'll do is add up the numbers I already have. So 35 plus 3 plus 30. So 35 plus 3 plus 30 is 68. I'll take my target number and subtract that 68. So my target number is 88. Subtract 68, which represents all the numbers I have so far. So 88 minus 68 is 20. Okay, so region 1 is 20. And then just to double check, all the numbers together should add up to 88. So let's check. 35 plus 3 plus 30 plus 20. Okay, good. 88. And now we're ready to answer some questions. First part says, how many people like YouTube but not Disney Plus? Okay, so like YouTube means you're inside YouTube. Not Disney Plus means you're outside Disney. So inside YouTube, outside Disney. So what number or numbers is inside YouTube, outside Disney? That will be just this 35. Next part, how many people like only Disney? So when I say only, I mean inside Disney, outside everything else. So inside Disney, outside everything else. So this will be just the 30. All right, so 30 is inside Disney, but outside the other circle. So outside YouTube. So this will be 30. How many people do not like YouTube? So if you don't like something, you're outside the circle. So how many people are outside of the YouTube circle? Outside of YouTube circle would be the 30 and the 20 together. So 30 and 20 together, that's 50. And then finally, how many people do not like either of these services? If you don't like either of these services, you're outside all the circles. So what is outside all the circles? The 20. So 20 is outside of both circles. All right, we have another survey. In this survey, some people like Prime. Some people don't like either services, and some people like Prime, but not Disney. So as before, I'm going to go through each clue, each description, and write down what regions they're talking about. The first one, 54 people like Prime Video. So liking something, you're inside a circle. So inside the Prime circle would be regions 3 and 4. Okay, so the first clue is talking about regions 3 and 4 together. 32 people do not like either services. So if you don't like anything, you're outside of all the circles. And the only region that's outside all the circles would be region 1. So 32 is talking about region 1. 35 people like Prime Video, but not Disney. So liking something means you're inside, not liking something means you're outside. So inside Prime, outside Disney. Inside Prime, outside Disney. So inside Prime, outside Disney would be just region 4. Okay, last clue is just talking about region 4. And then this 93 is talking about all the regions together. So 93 is all of them. Okay, so recommendation, start with the clues that talk about just a single region. So this 35 and this 32. So let's start with the 35. 35 is just talking about region 4. Okay, that just means that we're going to put 35 in region 4. "32 also talks about a single region. So 32 goes in region 1. Okay, now we go to the clue that talks about 2 regions, which would be the 54. So 54 people like Prime Video. That's talking about regions 3 and 4. So this is saying 3 and 4 together need to add up to 54. Okay, so what's the missing number so that 3 and 4 together add up to 54? So take your target number, which is 54, subtract off the number you already have, the 35. So 54 minus this 35. 19. Okay, let's double check. We said regions 3 and 4 together need to add up to 54. So 19 plus 35. Okay, we're good. So it is 54. And then the only region we have left is region 2. And the only number we haven't used yet is this 93. So 93 means all the numbers together need to add up to 93. So take all the numbers you have so far and just add them up. Let's see what we have so far. So 19 plus 35 plus 32. Okay, 19 plus 35 plus 32. 86. So take your target number, which is 93, and subtract off the total you have so far. So subtract off the 86. And we have 7. Okay, so region 2 is 7. And just as a double check, let me add up all numbers we have and make sure that we add up to 93. So 7 plus 19 plus 35 plus 32. Okay, we're good. Now we can answer the questions. How many people like Disney? So liking something means you're inside. So inside Disney would be the 7 and the 19. So 7 plus 19. I think that's 26. How many people like both Disney and Prime? So if you like both, you're in both at the same time. So what is in both circles at the same time? Both circles at the same time will be just this 19. Part C, how many people like Disney but not Prime? So inside Disney, outside Prime. Inside Disney, outside Prime would be just the 7. How many people do not like Disney? So if you don't like something, you're outside. How many people outside Disney? Outside Disney would be 35 together with the 32. So 35 plus 32. So 35 plus 32, 67. A survey was conducted and results are collected as follows in this table. Place the correct counts in the correct regions in the Venn diagram below. Okay, so the way you read this table is this 4. So these 4 people like Verizon and at the same time like Sprint. Okay, so this 4 should go in the region that is inside Verizon and at the same time inside Sprint. So inside Verizon and at the same time inside Sprint would be just region 3. Okay, so this 4 is region 3. 19, so these 19 people like Verizon and at the same time they don't like Sprint. Okay, that means inside Verizon, outside Sprint. Inside Verizon, outside Sprint will be region 4. So region 4, these 19 people. 17, these 17 people don't like Verizon, like Sprint. Okay, or you can say as like Sprint, don't like Verizon. That means inside Sprint, outside Verizon. Inside Sprint, outside Verizon. Inside Sprint, outside Verizon would be just region 2. So region 2 is 17. 15, these 15 people don't like Verizon, don't like Sprint. So they don't like anything, which means they should be outside of both circles. Region 1 is outside of both circles. That's 15. Okay, so now we can answer the questions. How many people don't like Verizon? So if you don't like something, you're outside. Outside Verizon is the 17 and 15 together. So 17 plus 15. And 17 plus 15 is 32. How many people like Sprint? So liking Sprint means you're inside the Sprint circle. Inside Sprint, 17 and a 4 together. So 17 plus 4. 21. A survey was conducted and results are collected as follows in this Venn diagram. Place the correct counts in the correct locations in the table. So start with the upper left box here. So this box represents the people who like AT&T and at the same time like Verizon. Okay, so liking something means you're inside, so I'm looking for inside AT&T and at the same time inside Verizon. Inside AT&T at the same time inside Verizon. So inside both circles at the same time, 11. Box here, people who like AT&T don't like Verizon. So inside AT&T, outside Verizon. Inside AT&T, outside Verizon. Inside AT&T, outside Verizon, these 19 people. This box here is don't like AT&T, like Verizon. So these people are inside Verizon, outside AT&T. Inside Verizon, outside AT&T. Inside Verizon, outside AT&T would be these 33 people. Then last box here, these people don't like Verizon, don't like AT&T, so these people don't like anything. If you don't like anything, you should be outside of all the circles. That would be these 7 people. And to answer the questions, for these questions, I think it's easiest for me to answer it using the Venn diagram. So I'm going to use the Venn diagram. How many people like AT&T? So liking AT&T means you're inside AT&T. So inside AT&T would be the 11 and a 19 together. So 11 plus 19. And 11 plus 19 is 30. Part B, how many people do not like Verizon? So don't like Verizon means you're outside Verizon. Outside Verizon would be the 19 and the 7 together. So 19 plus 7. And I'm pretty sure that's 26. The following Venn diagram represents the sets of people who like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. How many people like only Facebook? So when I say the word only, I mean they like Facebook, but they don't like anything else. So in terms of Venn diagram, that means inside Facebook, outside the other circles. Inside Facebook, but outside the other circles. Inside Facebook, outside the other circles would be just this 33. Part B, like both TikTok and Instagram. So liking both means I want inside both circles at the same time. Inside TikTok, inside Instagram at the same time. So inside TikTok, inside Instagram at the same time. That will be the 26 and the 25 together. So 26 and 25 are both inside TikTok and at the same time inside Instagram. So 26 plus 5. And that's 31. Part C, like all 3 services, that means you're inside all circles at the same time. So what is inside all 3 circles at the same time? So inside all 3 at the same time, just the 5. Okay, the 2, 26, 27 don't count because the 2 is inside TikTok, inside Facebook, but the 2 is outside Instagram. So only the 5 is inside all 3 circles at the same time. Part D, like TikTok. Liking TikTok means you're inside TikTok. Inside TikTok would be 38, 2, 26, 5. So 38 plus 2 plus 26 plus 5. And that is 71. Part E, participate in the survey. That just means everybody. So everybody add up all the numbers. So adding up all the numbers, let me start with the 24. So 24 plus 38 plus 2 plus 33. 38 plus 2 plus 33 plus 26 plus 5 plus 27. 26 plus 5 plus 27. And then finally plus 37. So adding up all the numbers, 192. Part F, like TikTok and Instagram, but not Facebook. So inside TikTok, inside Instagram, outside Facebook. Inside TikTok, inside Instagram, outside Facebook. Inside TikTok, inside Instagram, outside Facebook. Inside TikTok, inside Instagram, outside Facebook will be just the 26. Okay, 26 is inside the TikTok, inside the Instagram, outside of Facebook. 26. G, do not like any of these services. That means if you don't like anything, you're outside all the circles. So outside all the circles, 24. H, do not like Facebook. So if you don't like something, you're outside the circle. Outside the Facebook circle. So outside Facebook would be the 38, the 26, the 37, and the 24. So 38, 26, 37, 24. 38 plus 26 plus 37 plus the 24. 125. And actually, let me write down what I added. I'd added the 38, 26, 37, and 24. 38, 26, 37, and the 24. And I got 125. I like TikTok, but not Facebook. So inside TikTok, outside Facebook. Inside TikTok, outside Facebook. Inside TikTok, outside Facebook. Inside TikTok, outside Facebook would be 38 and 26 together. So 38 and 26 together, inside TikTok, outside Facebook. So 38 plus 26. And 38 plus 26 is 64. And those are the solutions. Let me know if any of the steps are unclear or if I did any of them wrong. See you later.